This 5-minute SPY chart has a Bollinger Band indicator paired with an Aroon indicator, both set to default settings. After this introduction, the chart will move in a sped-up mode, with pauses at each day section. Pre-market trading is shown in a green section, with post-market trading being shown in a red section. How the indicator works. The indicator is designed to measure the strength and direction of a trend by identifying the time elapsed since a stock or asset's highest high or lowest low over a specific period. It consists of two lines. Aroon, up, the green line shown in the lower pane, measures the time since the most recent high within a given period. Aroon, down, the red line shown in the lower pane, measures the time since the most recent low within the same period. The indicator values range between 0 and 100. Typically, a 14-period time frame is used, but this can be adjusted depending on the trader's preferences. How to read and analyze the Aroon indicator. The Aroon indicator provides insights into three main aspects of the market: trend strength, direction, and potential reversals. Number 1. Trend strength. If Aroon up is close to 100 and Aroon down is close to 0, it indicates a strong uptrend. Conversely, if Aroon down is close to 100 and Aroon up is near 0, it signals a strong downtrend. Number 2. Trend direction. When Aroon up crosses above Aroon down, it may indicate the start of an uptrend. When Aroon down crosses above Aroon up, it may suggest the beginning of a downtrend. 3. Trend reversals and consolidation. If both Aroon up and Aroon down are low below 50, it suggests a lack of a strong trend, indicating consolidation or sideways movement. Frequent crossovers of the two lines without a clear dominance by one line over the other suggest a choppy or indecisive market. Practical applications in trading. Trend confirmation. Traders use the Aroon to confirm the strength of a trend before entering or exiting trades. Identifying breakouts. When one line sharply rises toward 100 while the other falls, it may signal a breakout in the direction of the rising line. Divergence. Divergences between price action and the Aroon indicator can signal potential reversals. Limitations of the Aroon indicator. Lagging nature. Like most trend-following indicators, the Aroon indicator may lag, causing late signals in rapidly changing markets. False signals. During periods of low volatility or choppy markets, the Aroon may generate misleading signals. Combining Aroon with other indicators. To enhance reliability, traders often pair the Aroon indicator with other tools. Understanding and analyzing the Aroon indicator in conjunction with market context can help traders make more informed decisions. Hey there! If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and turn on the bell so you're always in the loop with our latest uploads.